Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we highlight the journey of Lenina Fiore, an American fitness model, YouTuber, and digital creator known for her vibrant lifestyle content and strong online presence. Born on October 28, 2000, in the United States, she represents the Scorpio sign, holds American nationality, and comes from white descent. Standing around 5 feet 6 inches and weighing about 50 kilograms, Lenina is easily recognized for her blonde hair, brown eyes, and confident signature style. Her rise began with fitness videos, lifestyle posts, and wellness-focused content that quickly gained traction across social media. With consistent creativity and dedication, she built a global audience, sharing motivational clips, fashion inspiration, and behind-the-scenes moments from her daily life. Today, Lenina's estimated net worth is around $650,000, earned through sponsorships, modeling, digital collaborations, and premium content platforms. With her positivity and powerful message of confidence, Lenina Fiore continues to shine, inspiring fans worldwide and embodying the spirit of Curve Nova 2.0.